Everyone, hello and good afternoon everyone. Please check whether I'm audible and visible. Just let me know in the comment section in the live chat whether I'm clearly audible and visible. Okay, so I can see myself. All good? Yes. So first of all, are you all happy? Are you all happy? Paper went really well. Paper was easy. Okay, yes, some of the questions was a little different, but it was not difficult. Okay, it was different as I kept mentioning. Just make a revision of your NCERT summary and that will do everything, and it did, right? Yes guys, so I'm gonna give you, I know that you have a board exam day after tomorrow, which is either CS or your biology, so I'll not waste your time. So I'm going to give you straightforward answers for all the questions, and for the proofs we all know how to solve it, right? So I will not give the answers for those. Direct away I'm going to give the answers for MCQs and all the solution questions. Let's start. All of you are ready to start? Can you hear me? Can you all hear me? Just let me know in the live chat. Can you all hear me? Yes guys, let me know. Can we start right now if you all can hear me? If you all can hear me, can we start right now? Yes, please tell. Okay. Alright, so let's start. So first question, if I go with the first problem that we have, check here. The question number 1 answer is C, 2 is D, 3 is B. 1C, 2D, 3B. I hope the question is also visible, and so is the answer. Moving on to next set of MCQs. 4th is A, 5th one is B. Please check. So this was the question on symmetric. We did the same problem 1 1 2 2. We have done this question for. When we did this question, we had taken this as 1 2, and I think 2 1 was there in that question. Okay, but in this what they are given 1 1 2 2. So I hope you got this result as well. Okay, domain of tan inverse is all real numbers, so we have written that as well. And for 13 elements we get only 2 orders possible. Yes guys, yes. Okay, next. For question number 4, this we have done the question. Answer is option A. Question number 5, sin inverse derivative exists. This question was also done. Option B is correct. For this one, this is the what you call simple derivative of x minus y. You get the answer as option C, 1. 7th one is the modulus x. The minimum value exists at 0. And the statement question, this value if you differentiate, check here. Excuse me. Check this out. Yeah, what is this given as? The function y equal to x square. Y equal to x square is this function, right? Y equal to x square is this function, sir. If you go like this function is increasing in nature from 0 to infinity. From 0 to infinity is increasing, not decreasing. So hence answer will be first one false and second one is of course true. Yes. Which one? 8th is B. Yes, 8th is. Both the statement 1 and 2 are false. No sir. Check here. Y equal to x square. This is the curve, right? Y equal to x square. Parabola. What happens to this curve? Is it increasing or not? It is increasing, sir. Okay, this is decreasing actually. So this is decreasing, right? So this is a false statement. That goes in the vein. It means the first statement is wrong. First statement is wrong, beta. What happens in this function? Y equal to fx is decreasing whenever you have derivative which is less than 0. For derivative less than 0, function will be decreasing in nature. So answer 8 is option D. Answer 8 is option D. Yes, please check. What other question? So 8 is D, 9 is C, sir. Please check. Antiderivative of, this is a formula. If you have integration of what is it, 1 upon x times of x square minus 1. This is given as sec inverse of x actually, but there's no option like that. It can either be sec inverse of x or it can be minus cosec inverse of x. In the question that we had, only minus cosec inverse is there, so we have chosen the option C. Please check. We have chosen the option C. Next, question number 10, B is there. This is an odd function, beta. This is an odd function. Please check. Okay, odd function, the value will be minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 becomes 0. Okay, so answer is B. Excuse me. Sorry. Yes. But you'll have the paper, right, guys? Yeah. Is the question visible, guys? Is the question visible? If it is visible, can I go on with the answer right now? Everybody else, please tell me. Vector A is non-zero vector, magnitude is this. How to solve question number 11? Please check question number 11. They are saying that vector A magnitude is given as what? Given as and lambda. Okay, vector is non-zero vector of magnitude A and lambda a non-zero scalar quantity. This is given as basically magnitude A, okay, this magnitude is given as the value A, all right, and lambda non-zero scalar value, what are they saying? If lambda A is also unit vector, it means that lambda A mod will be equal to 1, so we get lambda constant outside, it will be like this. This value we know that is how much? Is actually given as A. So what is going to the value of lambda or relation of A? A becomes 1 by lambda or lambda becomes 1 by A. Hence option D is correct. Okay. Question number 12, guys. Question number 12 is a straightforward question. Position vector of the midpoint of the line joining PQ. Answer will be A. You're going to add 2 to 4, 3 to 1 and 4 to minus 2. 2 plus 4 is 6, 3 plus 1 is, what is that? 4, 4 by 2 and 4 minus 2 is 2 divided by 2 will be 1. Yes. Okay, just let me give you all the MCQs, then I'll discuss them. Okay, let me give you all the answers first. 12 is A, 13 is C. Please check. Direction ratio of x-axis is K00. Okay, K00. Next, check here. 14 is A, sir. The probability of obtaining an even prime number on each die when a pair of die is rolled will be what? We have only one condition over here, which is 2, 2. Which is 2, 2. So 1 out of total 36. It becomes option A. Right, and A and B are independent events. You want to get PA into PB, multiply them, you get the value as 0.12, which will be option B. Okay, guys, the left hand derivative of mod of x, we remember we have done this. F of x is given by minus x and x. Differentiate over here, you get f dash of x, left hand side will be minus 1. Okay, this value is minus 1. The point of inflection, if you talk about point of inflection of x cube, check here. Inflection means that where the concavity changes or convexity changes. This is the point where the slope is, changing its nature. Okay, so this is the point, and that point is what? 0 over here. The point is 0 over here. I have taught you this. I remember taking this similar question in our MCQ session. The question that I remember taking was this one. Okay, next, m and n are respectively order and degree. We are looking for m plus n value. Order is 2 and the highest power of the order is 1. So the sum becomes 3. I dot I is beta 1, j dot j is 1, sum becomes 2. F is an event of sample space S. It means that this is your sample space S. F is inside it. So intersection of S and F will be what, sir? F only. So if you're writing a P of SF, it becomes P of F upon P of F. Hence answer is 1. All these questions are clear. Thank you so much. Good to hear that. Good to hear that. Okay, guys. Yes, Amaya, let's go to the previous page. So I hope the 21 markers are clear. Okay. Anybody wants to see this once again? Please check one more time. C, D, B is the first 3 questions answered. First 3 questions answered. Next is what? A, B, C, A, D. Second, from question number 4 to question number 8. Okay. Next is 9 to question number 13. These are your answers. C, B, D, A, C. All right. Next is 14 to 20. These are your answers. Please check. Okay. Are these clear? Can I move on? Anybody wants more answers? Superb, Sidaya. Superb, bacha. Good job. Good job, everyone. Lovely to see your response. Yes. Yes. Yeah. Anybody has any discussion required in MCQs, or can I move to the other questions? Anybody wants to discuss MCQs, but still 18 out of 20 is good marks? Okay. Can I move to other questions? Alright, guys. So these are the question number 21 to question number 29. Answers I've listed over here on this side. Please check. Answers I've listed over here. Question number 21 is that tan inverse of 1 minus cos x, 1 plus cos x. Please take the question paper out. This comes as x by 2. This comes as x by 2. How do you solve it? 1 minus cos x is going to be 2 sin square x by 2, and this will be 2 cos square x by 2. Second question will be from here. Answer is y equal to 2x. Y equal to 2x. Simply take the missing value as x comma y and find the determinant of that. You'll get the equation as 2x minus y, or y equal to 2x. 23 minus 4 sin t. Lovely to hear, Blossoming Swara. Yes, beta. Sir, 8th is B. Everyone, please check. These questions are correct for everyone. 21 to 29 I have written. 28 is over here, beta. 29 is over here. Yeah. Question number 8 you are saying, right? Question number 8. Question number 8, B is not right. This is an increasing function. Okay. A function fx is decreasing always when the derivative is less than 0. Yes. 8 is D. 1 is false, 2 is true. Please check. Yeah, 1 is false, 2 is true. Yes guys, this is correct. Yes, area of circumference. Area of circumference is what? Circle or circle circumference? No, circle circumference. What are you asking? Yes. No, but it will be like this only. Okay, they consider like that. It's okay. Answer is going to be dy by dx less than 0 will be decreasing itself. Okay, that much is okay. Acceptable, sir. That differentiation comes when you have that in the MCQ options are present. Okay, if you have options like this, when you have both closed and open interval, then you got to choose the open interval case. In decreasing, it will be less than 0 only. Derivative we write f dash of x is less than 0. All right. Yes guys, so this question number 21 to 29 is clear, everyone? Sir, if I do simplify the question 23, then 23 you are asking, right? 23 is this question. What you have got the answer, this is simple. Okay, you just left it as minus 2 sine 2t upon sine t, cos t, right? You did not cancel cos and cos, did you? Silly mistake. I think you might lose 1 mark over there because final answer carries marks. Okay, so these answers are clear guys for 2 markers. Please check. Okay, can I move on now? Okay, can I move on now? Anybody wants me to discuss any question, you can always ask me. I'm gonna go and discuss that as well. Now next set of questions where the answers are important. 34, 35. 34 question is, find the absolute maximum minimum value of function given as fx equals to 2x cube minus 15x square plus 36x plus 1 in the interval 1 to 5. So the actual, in this case, they're asking us absolute maximum, absolute minimum. They're asking us absolute maxima and they're asking us absolute minima. So when you do that, actually, of course, you have to differentiate and check the critical point also. But my point is, this comes as extreme values 1 and 5. So maxima comes at the point 5 as 56, minima comes at point 1 as 24. Question number 35 is this partial fractions. I told you guys this question will come, and it came. What is the answer? Log of x plus 1 upon x plus 2 plus c. 36 problem. This is a very unique question that came. We have not solved this problem. This is something which is out of what we have done. My bad. But yeah, this is something, if you can, as I mentioned, if you go through the answer summary, you get this question very easily. Find the area of triangle having the points. I did mention you area of triangle is what? Area of triangle is given by a cross b by 2. A cross b by 2. But for a cross b, you have to find a and b first. So finding a, b vector, you're going to use this. So 1 minus 1, 2 minus 1, 3 minus 1. 1 minus 1 is 0, 2 minus 1 is 1, 3 minus 1 is 2. For AC, go from A to C. It is 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1. So 2 minus 1 is 1, 3 minus 1 is 2, and 1 minus 1 will become 0. We get I and 2j. Solve and find the cross product. Divide by 2 with the modulus. You get answer as root 21 by 2. Check here, this will be 16 plus 4 is 20 plus 1 is 21. Divide by 2 to get the area of triangle. Anybody has doubt in this? Sequence of MCQ, bacha, you have to know, the marks are given for question number and what is the option. You cannot do like that. No, let's say if I write option 10, answer should be B, but you've written B for the next one. You lose marks there, right? Okay. All right, 34, 36 is clear. 39, please check. Question number 39, we have done this problem. What was this? This is the base theorem simple question. It talks about bag 1 contains 3 red and 4 balls. Bag 1 and bag 2 problem. This is what? 3 red and 4 black balls, and this is what? 5 reds and 6 black balls. This question is there, right? And if you solve it, you get the answer as 35 by 68 using base theorem. 3 marker. 41x, this is a 5 marker question. You get x, y, z value as 1, 2, 3. I hope you have solved this question. Okay guys, 43. 43 is the question of particular function. If you solve for the part 2, you get 1 by 10 log of 5 plus x upon 5 minus x. And how would you solve this integration? You get 1 by a minus x and a plus x partial fraction. Okay. 44, you get the answer for AOI came very easy directly from the model paper. I have done this question 4 square units. 45, this is your differential equation. Also, this was very easy. Just write this x on this side. Your integrating factor will be what? X square, I think. Yeah, because this will become yeah, x square only, right? This will be x square, right? Because x 2 by x is there, so we get 2 times of ln x square will be your integrating factor, and this is your answer, y equal to x square by 4 plus c by x square. A simple question came for this also. Now for the 6 marker, this answer will be what beta? For this answer 46 one, part 1 will be having pi by 4 as answer, difference of limit by 2. And for this part, for the linear programming, Z max will come as 6250 at the point 1050. I have done this question in my class. Please remember this. Yes. Okay guys, for 47, finding A inverse, we had done this question in the morning only. 2 minus 3 minus 1, 2 came. And for the part 2, if you solve this particular question, A comes 2 and B comes 1. Both of these were solved in the class today morning. Now you guys want to discuss something with me. I have given all the answers. Anybody who's joining right now, you can go back in this live and check your answers. Ask me your questions. Sir, I got 41 wrong. I wrote extra questions. Yes, extra you'll get marks, of course. Extra questions you'll get marks for. You'll get all the questions corrected and you'll get the correct marks. Ramadevi is getting 79. Super proud of you. Sir, I got 79 out of 80, sir. I salute you from my bottom of my heart. Say something for KCET. I have more trust on you rather than me. No, you should trust yourself first and I'll support you. It's all you. 79 out of 80 I cannot get right now. But you got it. It means it's all your effort. I can only guide you. This is for Raza Farhan. Yes. 79 is Ramadevi. It's okay. 79 is to be something proud of. Okay. Sir, if the scale of LPP is wrong, okay, that depends upon the graph, right? Without seeing, I will not be able to see. But I hope if the graph turns out right, it is not obstructing the relation that you plot, you might get full marks, but scale is important. Okay. My MCQ order, if I change, they will not change MCQ order, sir. They will not change MCQ order. So everyone, if you want me to show you MCQs again, I hope you are able to see the screen. I'm sorry I did not have time to crop the images to take one at one place. That's why I took the pictures directly. I hope it is okay. I wanted to come soon and give you all the results. Rohan, superb, Rohan. You are brilliant, guys. Rohan is getting 80 out of 80. Thank you, sir. You're welcome, bacha. Thank you, Raza Farhan. We should all be humble. There's no point of being, what is there? Nothing is there, right? We're just putting our work and that's it. We're just doing our role. So I've written 2x by, yeah, that is correct. Y equal to 2x or 2x minus y equal to 0 is also, both the answers are correct. Yes, sir, I have made graph mistake in marking feasible region. How much marks they will cut? Feasible region marking carries 1 mark. So I hope that only 1 marks they cut. Okay, guys. Okay. Mokshi is getting also, Mokshin Kumar, you're also getting 80. Superb. You're welcome, Mokshi. So please check, all these answers are correct. I just solved them right now as soon as I got the paper and start solving this on the screen itself, and you can see the results that I've got. These are the answers. I have cross-checked them, verified them. Most of them were solved. If I have to talk about newer questions, I'll tell you very honestly, the newer question that was coming in this session, I will say over here, I did not take 1, 2, 2. I took this question as 1, 2, 2, 1. That question I solved, but this one I did not solve, so this I can call something different. Apart from that, okay, this is something I have solved a statement based question of increasing decreasing function. The same I have not solved, but similar I have solved. Okay. Apart from that, this is done. This I did very long time back, I think for midterms or maybe for your pre-boards I've done, but not for the finals. So that is one miss. I would again agree. Midpoint of again this part was not done. This is something 1 marker completely not taught from my side. So 1 marker on me. Apart from that, everything else was taught. Here also. Anything different? No, everything else was taught here also. Okay, so all 20 questions, if you see, 19 I gave you in my previous set of sessions. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for guiding us. Yes, you're welcome, Amaya. Janab is saying worse than physics in spite of more efforts. So like first I wrote first question, then directly third question in MCQ. Okay, in that case I didn't get your question, Fruit Soul. So I did not get your question, this one. Can you explain me the question? Okay, guys. So here is the answer. Please keep going back and forth as per your requirement. I've given all the solutions. Anybody want me to discuss any question, I'm happy to do that. I solved and gave you answers. Please go ahead and check it out. It's me, 80 out of 80. Thank you for your support. I am loving it, you all. I saw few numbers already, 79, 80. I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful for all of you to trust me. I really hope that you try to keep that faith in me. I'll work the hardest possible for you guys, for KCET, and for all of your juniors. So please share our channel, share my classes with everyone that you know and who are studying, who can benefit from it. Please let them know that Ankit sir is someone who does little bit okay. Just let them know. Yes, sir, 78 out of 80 less. Oh, I'm getting scolding. No, Dipti, I am proud of you. Dipti, 70 out of 80. Super, bacha, super. Good job, good job. Jia, sir did very good. Tell me, Jia, how was it? Yes. Sir, MCQ में answer नहीं लिखा, option लिखे. Option is decent, right? Option writing is clear. That is also okay. But for fill in the blanks, you have to write the answers, no? Graph diagram. Graph have to solve in that case. Doubt, yes, doubt, ask me a doubt, okay. Vaishu, ask a doubt. Shravan is asking graph diagram, so sir, I'll solve it better then. I think I remember solving this question. Jia 72, superb Jia. Parimal 80 out of 80, good job. Yes. Yes, what is 2027? Sport. MCQ were relatively easier this year than last year. Do you agree, sir? MCQs are actually very easy. I agree. The whole paper, any difficulty in the paper? Any difficulty in the paper? Because if I look at the paper, any difficulty? This question I used to do it, but it was very simple. That's why I'm not doing it anymore. But this is a good question, okay, which I outlooked, but it came. So this is something that I've not solved in the last few sessions, but it was solved in my previous classes. My regular students who were studying with me for a long time, they will know I've solved this child question. Okay, so LPP problem, somebody's asking me to solve it. I'll solve it, no worries, no worries. This one I solved in my class. I told you all logarithmic differentiation will come, and it came very easy. This was a very simple question, 30th one, a 3-marker. Yes. So actually no surprises, guys. There were no surprises. And what happened? No, the difficult questions of 5 markers did not come only. Even your LDE came out easy. No, Deepti, it's okay, bacha. If you want, look, I know you got 80 out of 80 in pre-board, but understand this, there's a difference in pre-board and board. There's a difference in pre-board and board, okay? Even if you got 78 out of 80, I know if you have got 80 out of 80 in the previous all examination, you deserve to get, but sometime be happy of what you have achieved. 78 out of 80 is not a joke, man. Come on, 98%. If you add the 20 marks from there, 98%. Think about it. Okay? Is that a joke? I'm feeling bad for you that you were somebody who was getting those 2 marks, but here you lost it. But it's okay, you don't need to get scolding. You should be proud of yourself. Keep your head high, because this is not the first and last challenge. You'll keep getting more and more challenges, and you will have a chance. Just have this hunger in you to keep working hard, keeps inspiring others, and keep a smile on your face. But of course, you'll have many challenges to face. You will be able to do what you want to do with the right, mindset, only if you are, first of all, happy about it, that yes, you got 98 out of 100, man. Come on, this is not a joke. Yes. Sir, I made a mistake. I told you guys, remember that this kind of mistake happens. So be careful. What was it? Sir, I made a mistake in writing additional page number and I scratched and I wrote it again. I am scared. No, if you wrote it again, then it's okay. No problem. Okay. So let me just solve your friend's question of 6 markers he's asking. Okay. All right. What is it? So x plus y less than 60. X plus y. Yes, will help, bacha, will help in everything. Yes, I'm doing it. Sir, hi sir, paper was easy, sir. Thank you so much, Bunny. I hope it went well for you. Will I get marks if my order of answers? What is the fluid thing? Look, I don't know how you've written the answer, so I cannot guess it. Let's say if you've written 1 over here, an option is written over here, 2 you've written the option is over here, then you'll get the marks. But if you messed up the whole order, then how will they predict? Think about it. If your answer is clear that, the orientation is different, okay? But if it is clear that your answers are in that order, then you'll get it. Otherwise, if it is clear that, let's say you are written option 1's answer over here, option 2 answers over here, options 4 answers over here, okay, then you'll get it wrong. Okay guys, so what is the equations that we have? We have first one as x by 60, y by 60 equals to 1. Then we have divided by 500, 25 means x by 20 and 5 by, so y by 100 equals to 1. Then that is it. Okay, this is an easy question, right? This is 60, 60 by the way. This is 20 and 100. Okay, this is 0, 60 and this is going to be 20, 0. This will be what? This will be your 60, 0. This will be 0, 100. Okay, come on, check. So what I'm looking for, my inequalities are both less than, means below this curve and below this curve. So my answer is going to be, this is my feasible reason. Okay, my corner points are 0, 60, 20, 0 and 0, 0, and this point will be what? See here, we have the equation as x plus y, and what is this going to be? If you divide by 5, if you take 5 common, it will become what? So we have x plus y equals to 60, and take 5 common, it will become 5x plus y equals to 100. Subtract them, you get here 40, you get here 4x, x will become what? 10. If x is 10, y will be what beta? 50. This point is 1050. This is your Z max. Check the answer. The graph is clear? Yeah. Okay guys. So as I keep telling all of you that your MCQs, your math paper is the easiest, and it happened like that. So please check. Yes. Yeah. Anybody has a problem? Please check 6th MCQ should be B. 6th MCQ should be B. 6th should be B. Is it? Let me solve it then. 6th one, if you're telling me x minus y equal to pi, differentiate it, you will get derivative of x will be 1. It will become minus dy by dx. This will be derivative of pi, so 0. 1 you move on this side. Dy by dx becomes equals to 1. Answer is actually C only. You'll lose 1 mark because of the final answer, because final answer has to be pointed out there. Correct. So 24th question, if formula and given written, they will give marks. 24th question. 24th question. Why did you lose marks in this? This is a simple problem. Vaishu, difficult? I hope so. 6 is C. 6 is C only, right? I wrote flute soul, I think. Yeah, 6 is C only, correct. Yeah. Pi, if you differentiate, it will become 0, right? That's why it is a constant, so 0. Padma has got 8 out of 80. Proud of you. Superb, good job. You must have studied so hard. Okay. Yes. Everyone who's joining right now, you can go back and check all the answers. I've given every answers. Okay guys, good job. So everyone has done commendable job. I would like to end the class if nobody has anything else to ask. Okay, so do 3 markers. You want to learn right now? Really? After examination, which one? 3 markers. Please check. Answers are given over here. 34 is 56 and 54 for maxima and minima. 35 is log of x plus 1 and x plus 2. Okay. Yes, Suhani, I'll help you in the examination. Sir, what is the answer for 34? 34 answer is over here. Ishant Nayak, please check. Fatima is saying lost 7 marks, means you're getting 73. So good, Fatima. So what will be KCET crash course package? Can we take 1 course for 4 people, like share it? No, you can't. You won't be able to. You'll get 1 access per person per email ID. If you log out over there, and other person can of course get logged out from. If you log in from here, you get other guy get logged out. Okay. Yes. Humaira Begum is saying 74 out of 80. Good job, superb. Okay, I hope I had some role to play over there. All right. Anything else? Anything else? Anything else? No? No? Okay. Nopia is saying I'm getting 79. Good job. Ricky is saying 77. Humaira is saying 74. All of you feeling sad, 79. Oh my god, 79. So I know that it happens. Even Deepthi is getting 78, but it's okay. 78 is not a bad marks, right? It's okay, you'll get next time. Just keep your head high, keep working hard. Yes. Sir, my graph and all curry, but मैं maximum and minimum value नहीं दिया डाला, क्या मेरे को marks मिलेंगे? You'll get marks, you'll get step marking, but I hope your answers are there. Okay. I'm getting 75 plus thanks to your class yesterday. Prod by बाद में. Thank you so much for your compliment. I love that. Thank you, sir. You worked harder than us. Not really, of course not. You all worked harder than me. Okay. For the integration sum, I feel guilty. This was easy, no? I lost it marks in second question. Second question where you lost marks. What was second question? Tan inverse domain is a straightforward question, right? I'm losing so 14 marks. That is going to be your 66, right? So yeah, 66. So yes, you can go for the improvement. Of course, if you write, everyone who's writing KCET, but the problem is, beta, your second exam is near your CET. Okay, so you'll be in trouble. Okay, you got to manage a lot of workload. But yeah, lot of troubles. Anyone, please refer my classes for your sessions too also, because we'll have CET at the same time. Okay, so I don't know how many classes I will be able to give you, like the many classes I've given over here, model papers so many times, all the questions so many times, PYQ so many times. So I have done same thing over and over again so that you all can finish it at least. Okay, if not in this session, maybe 30% you did over there, 30% you did over here, and like that I made you finish all the 100% syllabus. So please make sure that all of you refer these sessions, very, very important. And let me tell you, everyone who's writing improvement and any other sessions attempts, go tell your friends, tell your classmates to refer my classes. They will benefit from it, guaranteed. Okay, so please tell them to refer my classes. So cancel Madhila. Yeah, that also will be okay, because you're saying that you're not written 2 by 3, right? I hope this should be okay. No, don't write that, Dipti. Don't do that mistake. Please focus on KCET right now. Try to get 150 plus in KCET right now. For 1 or 2 marks, don't write second attempt. Everyone who's getting 75 plus my advice, you don't have to write the second attempt. For 4 or 5 marks, you cannot jeopardize your KCET score. You think writing exam is easy? You have to study again, same thing like this. Okay, it'll take a lot of toll, lot of efforts. So focus on KCET. That date will be very close. All right. I think so. But that, guys, don't worry about that. Round 1, round 2, those updates when it comes will be given to you all by Jasmine ma'am. She'll take care of all those things. Purnima is losing only 2 marks, so clap everyone for Purnima. She's getting 78. Proud of you, Purnima. So I had a doubt, like I'm scoring between 270 and 290. If arrived improvement to maximize my marks, will it be considered in KCET result? Yes, it will be considered in KCET result. Of course, it will be considered in KCET result. Okay. And also in the counseling, don't worry about that. 258, if you write, it's good marks, it's more than 80%. Okay, you're close to actually 90 becomes 270 actually, so you're getting 260, right, close to that. So it's not bad marks, but if you're writing KCET, it becomes a trouble actually. In KCET, as high you score in your boards, better chances of you getting the top colleges, because half the weightage is over here, right? So if you're writing KCET, try to write improvement. That's what I'm saying. Everybody who's getting above 75, 76, no need to write the case, second attempt, right? For 2-3 marks, if you want to, you can write, but otherwise, you know how much pressure you will be under. and you should be writing Comet K also. Okay, Comet K also gives you a good chance, right? Yeah. Yes, it is a very good score, 295, 291. 78, Komal Kaushik. I am sorry that you lost 2 marks, but you should be proud of yourself. Yes, it is good for KCET 295. Very good actually. Yes. Okay guys. So, sir, 291, sir, how much KCET marks required? Try to score 140, 145 plus to get top 1000 rank, I think. Yeah. Both are considered. Whichever is best. Komal? Not really. Exam 2 is not tougher. One question here and there might be difficult, but not tougher. I got it. This is for DL Kodekal. Okay, DL Kodekal. Yes, 28. You are writing this as 18 by 27. No, not a 2 by 3, right? I think you should be fine. You should be okay. Okay, you might lose final marks. It is how many question marker? This is a 2 marker, I think. This is 2 marker. I don't think you should lose 1 marks for that. You will not lose 1 marks for that, I hope. Fast. What continues, sir? The session is over, sir. Please check. All the questions are discussed. If you want, I can show you. Check once again, guys. All the answers. Check again, everyone. All the answers has been given. Yes. You lose marks over there if you're not written the maximum minimum value. Of course, you're talking about 34th question, right? This one. Talking about this question, you have to write the maximum minimum value only, no? You lose marks over there. You'll get marks for step marking. Comet K is for students who are from all over India, not only just Karnataka, who can appear for Karnataka state colleges. Okay, and so these same colleges, some of them are not there. Basically, like for example, PES college is not part of Comet K anymore. When I studied from PS college, I got the entry from Comet K because I'm not from Karnataka. I am from Bihar, right? Then I got a seat in PS college. Okay, how? I wrote an exam called Comet K. So KCET is for only Karnataka student, Comet K is for all India students. Got it? So I wrote that exam and then I got the seat in KCET college. Got it? So same way you'll have, the thing is competition is less over there, but fees is higher of course in that case. So yes, you can get into that very easily. How much marks I lose, sir? You lose, it's a 3 marker, no, you might lose. If you're not written both the answers or just maxima. No, you'll lose 2 marks, I think, because the answers you're not written. Okay, I don't know. Did you get the values at least? You might lose 2 marks over there. I wrote answers for fill in the blanks 2 times and second attempt was correct. Did you remove the first attempt? Usually they should consider the correct answers, but you should have at least cut the first one. Sir, I am PCMB student. I don't want to do doctorate. What should I do considering my financial? Doctorate, I don't get it. You want to go for engineering, bacha? You can go for engineering. Doctorate is something that you do after your masters. Doctorate is for PhD. Principle of life. I'm not getting you. Is there a question over here? No. I told you that answer. I hope you have striked out the first one. Usually, if the 2 answers are written, there must be one of the questions striked off. Okay. Otherwise, it's up to them. It's up to them. Okay, but the rule says that you got to strike off the first one, whichever you have got, whichever you think is not right. You cannot write a question answer like this, right? That, sir, question number 1 MCQ answer is AB. Sir, I think both of them are correct. No, not possible. Remove A, no, first. Then you can say B is correct, or remove B and keep A. So like that. Okay, if you write both, then it's up to them. We have no control over that. Doctor, yeah. So for medical, if you don't want to go for, and CET, I don't think you can go for MBBS, right? For KCET, you can go for other allied courses. Okay, you'll get more information about that from our biology ma'am, Jasmine ma'am. But you can go for engineering, yeah. If you got the answer, you might lose 1 mark. If you got both the answers and not written the final answer, you'll lose 1 mark only. This is for maximum minimum, somebody who's asking. Close to 145, 150 to get a top 500 rank, Komal Kaushik. 28. What is 28? So initially I wrote wrong, fill in the blanks. Again I scratched out the first and written correct answer. Yes, they'll consider. Yeah, of course they'll consider that. Don't worry about that. Sanya, I've answered your question. Why are you putting the same comment again? Okay. You cannot put answers. If you put 2 answers without scratching it, then it's up to them what they want to do. Alright guys. Yeah, I'm telling you. We cannot do anything about it. It's like basically, it's up to them, what they want to do. There's no rule like this. You cannot answer one questions in 2 different answers. They cannot pick out. Otherwise, everybody can write all the questions, all the answers. If you wrote 2 options like that, let's say you wrote, instead of writing 6 questions, you wrote 7 questions, then they will grade all the 7. Okay? It doesn't work like that. Okay? So I forgot to write the last sentence of question 30. I wrote everything. Last I did not write that it is equivalence relation. I hope you don't. I don't think you will lose. But the question was asking relation, so if they are cutting it, they are right to cut it, but I hope that you don't. Sir, what will be like KCET papers? Practice paper, I'm very versed in applying. I'm not getting a question, Dipti. Hi Ganesh, how was it? Superb. One of our regular in our classes got a good. I hope you are happy now. Okay, you've been working so hard for so many months. I've been seeing you in my classes in and out, but you must have worked really hard to get this score. So proud of you, super proud of you. And something from Fasha, what is that? Okay sir, thank you sir. Sir, for 5K rank, what should be marks in KCET PCM is 255? Okay, that will be difficult. Try to go for improvement and you have to go for 150 plus only. Okay. Don't worry, ma'am will give a session in that. It will do the comparison for this and this. How will you get the rank? Okay. Sir, I wrote 2 in place of x by 2. Oh my god. 21. I wrote 2 in place of x by 2. You'll get wrong. It's 2 marker. Answer carries 1 mark and you lost that. Tell me. Sir, thank you so much for morning class. Good to hear, Ganesh. Thank you so much for appreciating me and trusting me to that I can at least help you out. Okay, I know it's very difficult to trust somebody with their career. I will have difficulty trusting somebody for my career, and you all trusted me. I really am grateful that I was able to help you all in any way possible that I did. Thank you so much for trusting me all. Okay. You got 2, it's okay. Nobody, better understand one thing, Dipti. So first of all, nobody is natural. Nobody knows everything. People who know something today, they must have practiced it, they must have learned it. If I know maths today, is it because I'm natural? No, I've solved thousands of questions in mathematics. Okay, not thousands, I think at least millions of questions in mathematics. Millions will be too much. Okay, maybe lakhs. Okay, but yeah, I've solved so many questions to know. So nobody is natural. If somebody is doing better than you, somebody can solve application based questions and getting that marks, it means you can do it as well, but you need to practice more questions like that. There's no limitation to you, beta. You need to also understand everybody who is doing better than you, who can do something that you cannot do. It means they're putting more effort, they're putting the right time of efforts, right amount of effort at that particular thing. You got to do that same. Okay, so trust in yourself. It's okay, no problem. Sorry that we were not able to reach out to all of you. It's because of all of your friends, your classmates in this. They don't share only. I don't know why they don't share. Is it too bad that you don't share, or is it too good that you don't share? Two reasons are there. Either it is too good, you don't want to give to your friends, or if it is too bad that you, okay, why to give this to your friends? What is the reason? Too good or too bad? Anyone let me know. Too good or too bad? Okay. So please say marks distribution on 47th one. 47th one, you're talking about the LPP question? No, the 4 marker. 1 marks for, it's a 4 marker, so if you talk about, there'll be 1 marks for writing the inverse, 1 marks for writing the inverse, 1 marks to finding the A square value and getting this LHS proven, 1 marks for A inverse, sorry, finding the A square value, 1 marks for proving the equation, 1 mark for inverse. I think then there will be 2 marks for calculation side. Okay, calculation will be 2 marks, 1 marks for final answer of inverse. 1 second guys, let me just check. It's a 4 marker, no? Look, let the class, let this thing come, the mark sheet come, but you'll have, I think, A inverse distribution will be there, A inverse calculation. In that you'll have also to find A square and proving the first equation. So 2 and 2 marks, I think. 2 and 2 marks. Both are. Ganesh is saying both. Too bad or too good? Look at this guy. At least I did work hard, sir, but no fall. Yes. Blueprint will not change. Blueprint model paper will not change, guys. No, it will not be difficult than harder than this one. Same level. Ganesh is saying this channel is so bad, too bad. That's why I did not share with anybody. Deepti, he is the one to blame. He said, you said, no, I cannot find the channel earlier, sir. It means it's Ganesh to blame because Ganesh knew it is too bad. That's why I did not share with you. Okay. I feel so guilty, sir, that I can do better. No, you got very good marks. No, I remember your marks. 75 plus you got, I remember. You might lose marks for that, Nandan. Okay, so it's time to end the class. Alright guys, had fun teaching you all. This is your PU2 board wrap up. Now your bio ma'am will come, your CS ma'am will come, and they'll take care of their subjects. So I really love teaching you all, really loved being here with all of you in all these classes, and I really wish you all the best for your future endeavors who are not going to join me in the next upcoming classes. But if you're joining me in the next classes again, very soon we'll start back with your take some break, 1 or 2 days. Again we'll come back. I'll also go and take some break, and then we'll start your KCET prep. At the same time, we'll have one shorts, we'll have live discussions of questions, we'll have PYQ discussions, we'll have KCET, similar to KCET questions also discussion, means most expected questions of KCET will also be discussed. We have a solid plan already made in background. We are working on it to bring out all the classes for all of you. Okay, so everything will be coming on our platform, Deeksha Karnataka. Just stay with us to get the benefits, and if it is too bad, let us know how can we improve, or if it is too good, then share the session, share the classes, share the channel with everyone that you know, with all the students that you know, because we can grow together, right? And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and keep the notification bell on, because now I think if you miss classes of this platform, of this channel, you lose mark. And we are really committed to all of you. Whatever you literally asked, we delivered it. Whatever you asked. I did not plan to do model paper again, but you said last minute, sir, please solve model paper. I came and solved it. You said you all are asking, sir, CS ma'am should come and teach you. CS ma'am is coming and teach you. Bio ma'am is working so hard to teach you all. Hindi ma'am also, we tried our best to get Hindi ma'am also. So whatever you guys kept asking, Kannada, Hindi, everything, we arranged, okay? We arranged for them. We tried our best to get all the resources that we can, okay, from our side. And they were all very vastly experienced teachers, more than me. Actually, they're having years and years of experience, okay? So they are part of our campuses already. So they've been taking classes over there. We requested them to please come and help our students on YouTube for free, and they agreed to come and give their time to you. So do not forget to go in the comment section and appreciate what they did for all of you, okay? And if again, I'm going to mention, if it is too bad, whatever we are doing is not working out for you, let me know. Let us know how can we improve. And if it is going good, subscribe the channel and keep the notification always on. Whatever we are coming with in our platform is going to help you all. That's a must, okay? Otherwise, we'll not come with the class. We'll not come with the class just for sake of it. It's a very serious class, okay? We keep fighting amongst each other so that we don't want to put anything on the platform, on the channel, that it is just completely out of place. We want to put everything that is very, very important and relevant and useful to all of you. This is the session, this is the platform where you can actually study the way you study in the classroom. Okay, we teach you all very structured, everything available for free. So subscribe the channel and attend all the classes. Keep the notification on. You are already part of WhatsApp group, so you can get all the information, all the updates over there. Okay, and do not forget to share the channel with everyone you know. Everyone in your college should know what is Deeksha Karnataka, because it's for free, first of all, and secondly, you all can grow with us and we can also grow with all of you. Okay, that's all, guys. That's my wrap up from my side. Yes. Correct. Hindi ma'am also, she was taking half the classes over there, coming here and converting all the sessions. Yes. Okay. Then you might lose the final marks, Mohammad Farhan, but other marks you will get. Yes. You all are welcome, guys. Do not forget what I asked. I'll see you in the next classes. We'll have more and more things for all of you in KCET, but this is a wrap in this particular class for paper discussion of your PU2 Maths. I had fun teaching you all. See you in the next classes. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.